Hello friend, this is Paper Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun craft with me. I am going to be decorating some embellishments, and there's a couple different I guess schools of thought, at least in my mind, regarding some of these embellishments. I guess the main ones are using, fresh new scrap paper and just going for the nicest stickers and just the nicest papers you have. Nothing wrong with that. That is actually very awesome. If you can do that, I think a lot of us can do that. I mean, for crying out loud, you can go to Joann's and get some really good clearance paper when it's on clearance. So maybe that's a quick tip in case you didn't know that. They have beautiful paper. So that's where I got most of my paper. And sure, every now and then I do splurge a little bit on more designer paper or more, newer paper that's just come out. But if you wait just about a month or a little bit, you can sometimes get some clearance discounts. And usually it's in a different section than right where the paper is. So just keep that in mind. Okay. With that said, I want to show one of the embellishments that I made yesterday. And I think it's really cute. It's got this little bicycle. It's got this like doily cut out. And then it's got this punch, which is basically, I'm going to show you. It's basically a 3-inch scalloped punch. So you've got... as you can see, I use packaging to back up the paper because I like it to be thick, and I don't always use it on the first layer. It just depends on how layered it's going to be. Like in this case, I actually didn't use that. Okay, so what I want to do now is just kind of maybe pick out a few that I really, really like so that I can start working on it. Well, actually, let me look at some of the stickers too, because the other thing is, like this one, it already has the image there, so I'm going to leave that one out and see what we can do here. And then this is kind of a busy one. And then this is this plain-ish one. So let's see, maybe this one with yellow. Okay, I just really practically picked out just random ones to work with right now, actually, so... Alright, so let's see. The next step that I've been doing is looking at some stickers. Again, you can use your old stickers. I started out with using my old stickers. And then, now that I've kind of run out of ideas with my older stickers, which actually, now that I have these new bases, I may be able to use the stickers I didn't think I could use before. So that'll be fun to try out. So then I have these really fun stickers. Again, Joann's was really good with their discounts. I got these at 50% off. And they're just gorgeous. They're just beautiful stickers. And, okay. So now I see that we have a really cute, some like larger images and then some smaller ones. And like I said, with this one, since it's already got like a main image, I would probably just want like some complementing things around it. I probably wouldn't want to cover this up too much. And so I'm looking for images that I can kind of put around it. And so, okay, I don't see anything there that is shouting out to me. I kind of like this flower, but I have a smaller version of that, so I think I'm gonna try to look for those. So now I'm going to go ahead and speed this up, and I've got some sections of this video where I'm talking and other sections where I'm going to be putting some music or doing the voiceover to explain some of this that I am doing. And yeah, right now I'm just kind of trying on some of these stickers. So here we go. So here I'm going to show you this other little base that is kind of a busy base because you've got that double print, and so I'm kind of looking through some of these larger stickers, and even though I was trying to work on that more complicated print, I end up really liking it on that little blue and purple. And so I'm going to go ahead and I've adhered that sticker to the piece of advertisement there, that little cardboard, and I am just kind of fussy cutting around it. And the reason I'm doing that, even though I'm going to glue it to the base there, is because I want it to have dimension, so I'm going to have to put something underneath it as well to pop it up. And so I'm going to be doing that here shortly. I'm also going to be doing the same thing with the sentiment, because I do like my layers, and I do put different heights of what pops up, and and sometimes I'll put a little bit underneath the little sentiment to give it some color around it. But in this case, I didn't really see anything that I enjoyed looking at, so I went ahead and just put this foam, this pink foam underneath it, and it popped up quite a bit, so I was really happy to see that. And then I used the little foam tape from the Dollar Tree to pop up that little fox. So I thought that was really cute. And now with that heart situation, I did put quite a bit. Now I am back. And yeah, I kind of put myself through this thing about like using these more, I don't want to say complicated ones, but they're a little bit more complicated because they, like this one especially, is print on print. So I don't know how I'm gonna tone that down, or if I want to, I might just keep going nuts with it. But again, this one calls me the colors, but the thing is, it's gonna camouflage it too much, so I don't think I'm gonna use it. But I just want to see if I can take a look and see what would happen here. Let's see. Yeah, see, that just washes it right out, so that's not a good plan so much. However, here is not so bad. I kind of like it there. That's kind of cute. You know, and it's got the little yellow flowers and everything, so that may not be so bad. I think I could probably do that because I don't want to overthink everything. You know what I mean? Get a little packaging here, and see if I can put it in such a way that does not require me to be cutting ever so much. I was trying to put this together, but I didn't love it, even though it is cute. But I kind of like it here better. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then probably do some stuff around that. And then this one, I thought, even though it does kind of wash out the flowers a little bit, but I still really like it a lot. And so I think I'm going to go ahead and pop that in there, because, you know, that was going to happen probably with all the stuff going on there. I just really like the accenting of the yellow. For some reason, I'm really loving yellow lately. I could probably cut this one in half, because even though these are really big, well, I was thinking about this one actually, but I was thinking I could do one here and then one on the bottom. So, you know, something like that. And, okay, so then this one, same thing. And of course, the easy thing with this is it's already done for you, so you don't have to put glue and stuff like that. But like I said, sometimes it's just whatever you have on hand is the right thing, because you know. Okay, so I could put it kind of towards the middle of the side or whatever, but I actually like it like straight up on the right in the middle. And I'm thinking I don't know if I'll put the sentiment on the top. I feel like I'm gonna end up putting the sentiment on the top, which is why I'm wanting to put that there, but I do like it right in the middle-ish. So I think I like that little heart there that's popping out. So maybe that's what it is. Okay, so I like that, and then I'm gonna go back and do some more stuff to it. But as it stands, I really think that's super cute. And like I said, this one, even though it's a little bit already gonna be showing some flowers, like it might be a bit much, but I still like it a lot, because I think with this print it's going to be kind of a busy situation anyway. This one a lot. So, and you know, this one, because it's already really busy, I don't maybe have to do anything here, but I kind of want to put this yellow heart. Maybe not the yellow one, because that might be a little much. I could do this heart probably. Oh, that is pretty. That is super cute. I think I'm gonna do that. I think I have to. And see, there we go. We could put it a little higher even on this one, because this one has, you know, like I said, the height. I think I want to make that one a little bit higher than the other ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one, because I think this is a little bit taller than some of the other stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Let's see if that'll work out. All right, let's try that. Oh, cute, 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 cute. I love that. Yeah, that's turned out real cute. I do like it. Let me see. Hang on. I feel like. All right, I was gonna try to move it a little bit, but I think I'm good. I think I'm good. I like that so much. Okay, So yeah, in this case, I think the only thing that was scraps was this circle base, this heart shape, and this little base for this little word. And then what was new was the sticker, this little smile sticker, and I made this scallop punch with some fresh paper and a new punch. So there again, I combined some scraps with some new stuff and made this. So, and this is pretty much a done deal. I might can go ahead and put a blingy here or not, but it's definitely super decorated. So as we get to the end of this episode, I want to thank you for joining me today. I had a very fun time. I hope this will inspire you and give you a little direction on how to do these because they are loads of fun. So yes, be sure and give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed this episode. Also comment below and let me know if there's something that you have a question about, or if you just want to let me know how you enjoyed this video. That's awesome. Be sure and hit the subscribe button if you are interested in being part of the Paper Kitty family. And don't forget the notification bell so that you will know when I have a new video for you. Again, thank you so much. Love you so much. Love you so much. See you in the next one.